introduce yourself because we are meeting after a long period.
Yes, of course. I will always, happy to introduce myself. So, my name is Shweta, as you know, and I am connecting to you from Delhi. I'm a homemaker, mother to two children, and I hold my BCom BA degree. In addition, I am a CTET qualified, and I used to teach by profession. I am teacher, you can say. At present, I am running my YouTube channel by the name of I Speak Up Buddy, and where I enjoy my conversational video. Yes, and other than that, I have few more hobby. I love to gardening, cooking, and traveling. That's a less and more from my side. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
Traveling.
Okay,
so there are so many places in India. How many places did you cover?
I have covered till now almost northern part of India. Okay, like all the Uttarakhand, like Simla, Jammu Kashmir, or northeast part of India. So I have covered, but even there is many, we can say, places in my bucket list. So I will visit.
So
Actually, summer vacation, I would like to visit some new places.
so which one is your favorite?
My favorite place is still I have remember I enjoyed a lot when we went Kashmir.
Kashmir.
Yeah, Kashmir is always like it's my favorite place, I would say, because it's really like there is some statement. If there is like heaven, so it is here, it is here. So it's a true, I would say, because when you went there, then you can only feel that essence or that atmosphere. So why people stated like that? Yes, it's yeah.
Yes, I have seen Kashmir only in movies, but I never seen Kashmir any. There are so many spots also, tourist spot. And recently we heard news, bad news. After that, I changed my mind.
Right. Yeah, no, it's I think 5 or 6 years when we went there, and we went there with there were 4 family, right? So we went together. Then we enjoyed them because there were like a group, like we made a group, and then we went there. So whenever you plan for Kashmir, then always first you make a group, then you will go,
In
and
group
then you
we can enjoy.
like feel comfortable and safe, because and also when we go in a group, then we always enjoy that journey and that place. So we have lots of things to gossip, enjoying the moment. Yes.
And after some days, school will announce their summer vacations.
Right.
So did you
So
choose
my
any
name-
place?
Yeah. So my neighbor yesterday, she was asking to me, okay, Lee, so please make some plan for vacation, because last year we both, went to Simla. We went together Simla, me and my neighbor. So that's why she was asking yesterday. So do you have any plan to go somewhere? Then I thought, okay, let me think first and let me ask my husband and my children. Then we will.
But
So,
schools are
if
also,
you-
planning for summer camps for children.
Yeah, for children, it's and my daughter is super excited to join summer classes, and she told earlier me, so I want to learn, skating, because my neighbor's son is learning skating. That's why she's super excited, like for vacation. So I thought, okay, first I will check there, then I will enroll yourself.
In our time, there were no concept of summer camps, some other kind of camps. But nowadays there are so many classes, activities they are giving, school and some other, some other institution also giving. So what do you think about this?
Yeah, it's good for children, I think, because in this way they get exposure. Like if you are doing same work every day, so it's become monotonous.
Hmm.
So we should do something out of routine, right? So they are the like golden opportunity for our children. So like apart from study or doing some same activity, they enjoy their vacation, and like they are providing lots of hobbies classes. So according to your interest, then you can make your children join there, and they really enjoy
Hmm.
that.
Because whole year they are just doing study work, some other school activities, but this is the time only for fun.
Yes, of course.
Hmm.
And in this, like they are enjoying, and also they are learning lots of things.
Hmm.
If like students, they are fond of like painting, drawing, right? So in this way they are learning a different thing, and they are enjoying. And yeah, and if they are a boy, so they always enjoy outdoor games,
Hmm.
right? Like swimming or cricket or like that.
Hmm.
So according to this, yeah, we should.
But
give
outside is
them
scorching, so how can we prevent our child in this harsh weather?
Yes, because yeah, in this harsh weather, if you like enroll them in any indoor game, right? So it would be better for them, because outdoor games is very much difficult to join,
Hmm.
because yeah, they may get sick, and after few days joining after few days, so it would be not a good decision for us. So it's
Because
better
personally
to join.
I like swimming classes.
Yeah, it is also good. Yeah, it is
In
also
summer
good.
days it is good for the kids.
Yes, in this way they are enjoying, and like it's a kind of exercise,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
So yeah, students do their exercise. They can fit their body. They can keep their body fit, and also yeah, they become very strong mentally and physically both.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
yeah, like playing lots of games. So it's a fun, and also like their mind become very strong, and they become a confident person.
Hmm. Yes.
Yes.
Nowadays there is a flood of advertisements. Some are giving some other activity, some are giving like pool activity. Like being a parent, sometimes I'm confused which I should pick for her.
Mm, Actually, I last year I was also confused. Like I wanted to enroll her in some particular like game, so that I wanted to like if she will enjoy, then she can choose this particular games as a profession or something like that.
Mhm.
So I was eager to know about that. Then I just made with her like a game teacher. Like in her school, they also provide lots of games and activity. Then I made with her game teacher. Then she made me understand, like first this is the early age, so she is quite younger now. So let her enjoy whatever she want to do, whatever like game or things, sport she enjoy. Just like let her enjoy that game, and don't bound her like in particular activity or particular like game. So when she become quite sincere, then she will understand the thing. What should I do or not? So then I understand. Yeah, she is right, because we should bond, them like you should choose this activity only and you should do this one. No. So let her enjoy her, like game or sports. But
Like
this is
you are
only
a
one
teacher,
activity, then they can choose.
you are a teacher. So did your children also scare like my mama is a teacher? She has set so many like rules.
No, no, no. I never, set rules or regulation or condition to my children because we all know children are very innocent mind they have. So I don't want to manipulate her mind or something. So I just leave her or him freedom. And yeah, if I feel like they are not in a right track,
Hmm.
so that time I just push them to do something good, and I just try to make them understand. Even being a teacher, if you are a teacher or mother, but children never obey you because they consider you like okay, it's what can I say? Yeah, there is one idiom of familiarities breeds contempt. It means घर की मुर्गी हलवा
Okay,
बराबर,
okay.
right?
They will never
Yeah.
consider you as a teacher. They always consider you. She is my mom.
Right. Then what I do when I go for a PTM, then I talk with her or him like a teacher, and then through the teacher I make them understand what I want to make them understand. So that is better way. And she always obey her teacher. Whatever she make her understand, then she understand better than me. So that's the something I do.
You know, like if you are a teacher and your children has friends, okay, so sometimes their friends are scared to enter in your house, like your mama is a teacher. You know, sometimes some friends scared.
No, because nowadays, people like children never prefer to go any house, and their parents also they are scared to send them in. Like even you are a neighbor, so they don't like to send them in your home or something. If there is something important, or maybe they would be your like sons or daughters intimate friend, then they will prefer to send their children to your home. Otherwise they are very like reserved, or they don't want to send because there is lots of reason behind that, right? Nowadays we don't feel safe anywhere, right?
And what do you think? Like right now, Skype is taking his last breath. Okay, so we all are suffering. So, what is your opinion regarding this?
I think today I checked Skype is working or not.
My Skype is not working.
Not working.
Mainly all icons are disappeared. Like recording, some other options are disappeared.
Okay.
That's why I'm asking. It is taking their last breath.
Yes, but we knew that about that. This month this application is going to shut down.
They
So
have
we knew
declared the
about-
date 5th May and today is 6th May. So maybe
Right.
tomorrow or day after.
tomorrow.
Yes, day after they will stopped.
Okay, so I don't know, but I believe where there is a will, there is a way. Right?
Yes, we
Right.
should be always optimistic.
Right now you can see even there is no recording option, but even you are recording this session, right? So,
Because I saw one video on the YouTube. They were telling like there is a one application screen recorder, so you can record the screen, and after that there are some editing work also. Then you can upload. So I am trying first time.
okay, you are trying first time.
Yes, because on the team there is no recording icon.
Mm. Yes, yes, there is no recording at once, so there is a main problem using Teams.
Yes.
Yes.
So I am trying it
So-
first time, and if I record it like editing work, there are so many editing work also. After that I will upload. Then you can see my recorded part is good or not. Because on the Skype it was very easy work for me.
Yes.
Yes.
Mm. First send me this session, then I will check.
Yes, I will
Okay.
share you the link. Maybe today or tomorrow I will upload this video after editing. Because when I was doing recording on the Skype, it was very cakewalk for me. But now it's very difficult task for me. How will I edit this video?
Mm. And also, like what happened with me, last 2 days, I just trying to find some solution. What will I do after, this
Yeah.
application?
Yes,
Yes.
one of
Then,
YouTuber, he had made one video that you can record the screen. After that, you editing you can upload. So after hearing this, I thought, okay, I should give it a try. Maybe it will be successful.
yes, yes. So
Hmm.
I am doing like I just bring out my laptop and then I start recording session. I just send them like a Zoom meeting link. Then I record over there.
But on the Zoom
And
meeting, there are some of YouTuber, they don't have any laptop.
yes, then I told them like I will provide that video
Hmm.
like to them. Yes. So
Hmm.
that's why I record over there.
Okay.
Even
Second time,
today,
I will try your method. Okay, second time we will try your method.
yeah. Because,
Okay, do you have any question for me?
now I am.
Do you have any question for me?
Yes, lots of. But if you want to stop, then it is better. To
Okay,
we should
without
stop
recording, you
now.
want to ask.
Yeah, I have many questions, but
Wait.
if I start asking, then your video will become very long.